Hey Python enthusiasts! Welcome back to the 100 Days of Python series. Today is day 39, and we're going to dive into consuming APIs with Python. We'll cover using the requests library for API consumption, authenticating and sending different types of requests, and handling API responses and data manipulation. Let's get started. The requests library in Python is a powerful tool for making HTTP requests. Whether you need to get data, post data, or handle other HTTP methods, requests has got you covered. First, ensure you have the requests library installed. Let's start with a simple GET request. Create a new file called api_client.py and add the following code. This code makes a GET request to the GitHub API and prints the status code and response in JSON format. Run the script. You should see a status code of 200 and a JSON response containing information about the GitHub API. Many APIs require authentication. Let's look at how to send authenticated requests and use different HTTP methods like post, put, and delete. For this example, we'll use the JSON placeholder API, which is a free online REST API for testing and prototyping. Let's create a post request to add a new resource. This code sends a post request to the JSON placeholder API to create a new post. Run the script. You should see a status code of 201 and a JSON response with the new post data. Similarly, we can use put to update a resource and delete to remove a resource. Here's how. The put request updates the post with ID 1, and the delete request removes it. Run the script to see the outputs. Now let's focus on handling API responses and manipulating the data we receive. Often, you'll need to parse JSON and work with the data in Python. Let's fetch some posts and extract specific information from the response. This code retrieves all posts and extracts their titles using a list comprehension. Run the script. You should see a list of titles from the posts. This is a common way to manipulate data received from an API. Additionally, you might encounter errors when making API requests. Let's handle these gracefully. This code checks the status code of the response and prints an error message if the request fails. Run the script to see how it handles a non-existent post. And that's a wrap for day 39 of our 100 Days of Python series. Today, we explored consuming APIs with Python, including using the requests library, authenticating and sending different types of requests, and handling API responses and data manipulation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more awesome Python content. See you tomorrow for day 40. Keep coding and happy learning.